This 2009 Ford Super Duty F-450 DRW is brought to you by Affinity Automotive Repairs and Sales LLC. Affinity Automotive gives you what you want through our 5-step process. 1. Let us know what you're looking for. 2. We email a list of available vehicles. 3. Place a small deposit to secure the vehicle of your choice. 4. We locate your vehicle, quality check it and service any minor repairs that may need. 5. Pick up and drive away happy. Call us today, ask for Rick or Kelvin 407-802-2960. Financing available. Fill out an application at www.affinityautomotive.com. Visit us at affinityautomotive.com.